Hello, and welcome to Arizona State University. I'm Leah Doan, Chair of the Department of Psychology in the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences. I'm excited for you to begin your Sun Devil journey with us. In our department, we're dedicated to building healthier minds, bodies, and societies, using psychology and neuroscience to make a real difference in people's lives. Learning here extends far beyond the classroom. We have more than 45 research labs and 6 specialized training areas. We explore topics from behavioral health and addiction to neuroscience and genomics. Students are partners in discovery, presenting their work at conferences and engaging in our Energize Research program, which was designed to help undergraduates with no prior research experience get started and gives graduate students valuable mentorship experience. You'll also find experiential opportunities woven into your studies, teaching assistantships, internships, study abroad, and hands-on training through places like our Child Study Lab and our Clinical Psychology Center, which has actually served the community since 1959. Our faculty are world-renowned leaders in both psychology and neuroscience, recognized for their research and their teaching. You'll join a network of peers and mentors and alumni who are invested in your success and eager to help you prepare for the next step. I hope you have a great start to your academic journey at ASU. Please reach out if you have any questions. Let's pioneer change and community impact with innovation, research, and discovery. I'll see you in class.